Hello everybody. So we have Olympus sz61 erecting part with eyepiece tube and mirror system, which were removed. Just those prisms are just glued back with a silicone here, and to all removement was made because I needed to make a space for future cleaning and for cleaning now, because frame parts of this Olympus had left me no space for proper cleaning. There were no space to reach proper to prism in this position. Here was only 0.3 millimeter or 4 millimeter width slit, not enough for proper cleaning, so I had to file the space to get it accessible for future cleanings and for current cleaning. So I had to remove the prism, clean, file the frame, and finally prism got back now, and in 20 hours I hope the silicone will get proper firm and I will continue with this erecting system. Thank you for watching.